Welcome back. Now, in order to go live and receive real money from people, you need to change the sandbox environment into the live environment. So you need to head on over to your PayPal developer account and then click or select the live environment, and then you will find all of your apps. Click on the app that you created. So I'm going to click on my app, and then you will find your PayPal account as well as your client ID. What we need is your client ID. So you need to copy your client ID. You need to copy it. And then what you need to do is that you need to paste your client ID, your live client ID, instead of this client ID, instead of the sandbox client ID. So you need to remove this from here. We have here client hyphen ID is equal to, and then we have this client ID. So you need to remove this, and you have to be very careful. You need to remove only the client ID, and then you will have here equals to, and then and. Between these, you need to paste your live client ID. So I'm going to go back to PayPal, and then I'm going to copy my client ID, my live client ID, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to come back to you. So as you can see, I have pasted my live client ID here. As you can see here, client hyphen ID is equal to, and then my live client ID, and then and currency. So make sure that you get this right. If you don't get this right, it's not gonna work. So you need to, again, you need to paste your live client ID here in this location, and then you need to click on File, and then Save All, and let's test. So let me now test and add something to cart. So I'm gonna, for example, add this to cart, and let me here check out, and I'm gonna fill out this form again, and let me here type a city and address. Let me click on checkout. So let me click on checkout, and let me click on PayPal's button. And I want you to pay attention to what's gonna happen when I click on PayPal's button. So what I want you to notice is that I want you to notice the URL here. The URL is no longer the sandbox URL. It's no longer the testing environment. Now it's the live environment, meaning that if I log in now and if I pay, real money would be transferred from my account to the business account. Real money would be transferred from my account to the owner of the e-commerce website or the restaurant. So now PayPal is now in the live mode, in the live environment, and if you were to publish your application, your website, and customers come over to your website and pay, real money would be transferred from their accounts to your account. So now PayPal has been integrated into our website successfully, and now you are ready to receive real money from people. But of course, before doing this, you have to be ready to deliver your products and your meals to your customers before you accept payment.